Don't you to go. 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 Don't you the GOAT.
Bro, this guy's so late. Like, I'm not even joking. He's meant to start the stream at like past. It's 10:02 right now. How is he so late? Like, what does he even have to do to the point where he can't get on stream? Like, is he not waking up on time, or like, what's going on? Bro, he's so late. Tell him to fix it, man. Nah, actually, look, this is really gonna piss me off. This guy better start the stream ASAP. Otherwise, I'm gonna get really angry. Oh, fuck it, chat. Look. I don't know why that guy... Bro, Nightbot's just smoked you there. Even though you didn't post a link, it thought you did. Alright, chat. Alright. Let's fucking start the thing. How's everybody doing? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. All of the above. It's time to make 10 million. Let's start the stream in 3, 2. Holy chat. We're out here, man. What's good, everybody? What's good? Victory Settings, Dale, Mr. Mochi, Ewan, Tony's here. Who else is here, man? Eugene's here. Victory Settings, I'm going to say twice. Mr. Max. All the man are here. What's poppin', chat? Good morning, good morning. Mr. Tom, he's away. Where are you away? Chat. I'm gonna let you guys into a tiny little secret. Today, I woke up at 2 o'clock. The stream was meant to start at 2. And I woke up at 2. What is going on, man? This is cooked. I genuinely woke up at 2 p.m. Not a good fucking sign, chat, to be honest. Not a good sign. I don't know what happened. You're gonna have to bear with me for a little bit whilst I kind of wake up. I can't lie. But to be honest, chat, not ideal. No, it's not really. I went to bed at 7, that's why. But look, I can't lie, actually, I don't think I know. It's time to make a milli. I'm making a milli today, no matter what. All right, if I have to go rob a bank, I'll go rob a bank. Because a milli needs to be made. Too much gooning is crazy work. Oh, chat. Okay, look. Let's do an analysis. So, weekly time frame flip bearish, chat. We're going to have the first weekly time frame candle closure in like a month. Maybes. Daily time frame pushing back up here after a little bit of a bottom wick and a top wick. Kind of doji right now. 4 hour is interesting because we had a bullish close, but it's no top wick candle, so I don't know. It's only bull here. Hourly's ranging. It did break market structure. That would have been nice, actually. What time was that? 4 a.m. So I was technically awake for that. Fuck. No, I'm joking. But yeah, the hourly candle is now starting to break below. This is very interesting price action. You're kind of bearish here. Tory trades right now would be whipping out the trend line and then selling $500,000 worth of courses a month. But I'm not doing that one. So chat, let's just check some levels here. On the hourly, I think a pretty clean level right here is 677. Maybe a little bit lower. Yeah, if you close below there, chat, realistically you have room down towards what I would say is 66, 36, 68, holy shit. But chat, obviously most importantly today, we're probably going to be looking for buys. those buys are most likely going to come from a closure, I would say above 83 here, chat. You got a little micro range here, between 78 and 83. But the buys above there look very nice to take you up to 94. However, chat, if you do close below this area here at 78, that should realistically take you down towards 68. So, essentially, understanding this will be a market structure shift if this hourly closes here in, 2 minutes. We can look to take the position downwards here to capitalize on that. But listen, chat, it's Friday right now. Remember what I always say on a Friday, right? There's no need to rush anything. We've got a lot of opportunity here today, but also it's been a great week so far, chat. I think I passed about $600,000 worth of funded accounts this week. Paid like 2K worth of activation fees nearly. So, I'm not really bothered about taking a position today. If one prints, don't get me wrong, I'm going to be in there like swimwear, but chat, remember, we're never trying to force anything here. We are never trying to force anything. But listen, how has your guys' week been so far? Hopefully you had a good week. Hopefully you made some monies. But most importantly, hopefully you stuck to the plan, because that is the most important thing entirely, right? But how are you guys doing? What's your P&L for the week? What is your P&L? Let me know. I just top tick this move down. Holy top ticker. Harder. Good shit, Max. Good shit. Up racks? You're not up any racks, Mr. Mochi. You don't make money. 0% chance Mr. Mochi prints bread. Oh, chat, it's breakfast time. Breakfast for the day. Grenade bar. I am blood? Nah, you're not. What's good, OA? 3% W. That's huge. 10%, bro. No way. I'm calling cap on that, Mr. Mochi. Mr. Mochi getting them universal credit paychecks. Chat, earlier in the stream, whilst it was in the waiting area, Eugene timed out Mr. Mochi, which is kind of crazy. This guy's definitely got some mad form of schizophrenia. Crazy work. I risked 5%. That's insane. Levi's up 100%. Fire. All right. Awkward ass closure here, chat. I can't lie. Hourly closed. Strong bearish, but also in the range. Unlike the non-mad forms. Yeah, no, I hear that. My bad. Oh my days, chat. Honestly, it's not the one for me today. I'm actually cooked right now. What's NQ doing? Is that no top wickers? Oh my days, it is. Yeah, not really bueno on that one. It looks good though, I can't lie. You have like a little range between these 2 points. You just closed above it. Rather interestingly. But yeah, the no top wick's pretty cooked. NQ's been looking okay recently, I'm not gonna lie. Looking pretty decent. Chat, we gotta make a meal though. I gotta stop being greedy before I get fired. I fucked up this week bad. Why, what happened, man? Tell me. This is freaky weekend? Why is it freaky weekend, bro? Don't answer that. I don't want to know. Chat, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys. We launched the webinar yesterday. The slots are nearly sold out already. So if you want to join the TRLS Masterclass 2.0, make sure you do it, bro, because this shit is going to be just ridiculous, right? I'm pretty sure we're like way over 50% sold out right now. And we launched it, I launched it on socials at 8 o'clock last night or something, super late. So like in under 12 hours basically, or just over 12 hours, we've sold half the masterclass. So it is going to sell out. The point is though, It's going to be so good, man. It's going to be so good. Wait, we're giving away way more than that. Why did I say that? $1,500,000 in funding, man. Learn SG's shotgun method to pass. Nice. Yeah, chat, it's going to be sick, though. It's going to be sick. So the masterclass is October 1st. What the fuck do I do before that? Yeah, I don't know, Levi. You're going to have to be patient, my boy. My bad. It's one of those ones, unfortunately. Chat, what if we make a milli, though? Seriously. You know what? If I say that long enough, I think we will eventually make one. Or no, actually, I know we will, right? Yes, SG, hope everyone here as well. What's good, Anil? How's it going, my bro? Chat, it's been a good week so far, I can't lie. This has probably been one of my best trading weeks of the quarter. Like I said, I added like 600k in funding this week alone. It's just been, in fact, very good price action, I would say. Like, I definitely have nothing to complain about PA. Yesterday was a little bit weird. Yesterday was actually the first day that I haven't had a trade. 2026 is a mil year. Yeah, genuinely, chat. I'm 100% certain I'm going to touch a mil in 2026. I've envisioned myself making $1 million. It didn't make me happier. I don't know about happier, bro. I'm very happy as it is now, right? But you know what it would be nice to do is to give my parents a lot of money, to have like security. I mean, I already have security, but like that's a different level of security, you know? Yeah, imagine again. Nah, I know what you mean, bro. Hitting a specific target number is not going to do anything, but the freedom will and does. I made my first milli years ago. Oh my days, bro. This guy, just intolerable. Can't trust Mr. Mochi, man. Just can't trust this guy. I need that. Dubai bitch on deep milli yen. Milli yen. How much is a milli yen? It's not much, right? It's not much. Yo, I can barely breathe. What's going on? Getting suffocated in my own room. Chat, I can't lie. Bro, me and Tom did a food shop the other day. And ever since we did a food shop, I don't know why we did one, bro. Ever since we did the food shop, we've been eating like we've been ordering food anyway and not cooking. So all of the food went off. And I opened the fridge this morning, bro. I basically got fucking gas attacked. It was not good. What's good, Asset Marksman? Flexed on by a panda is crazy, I know. What's good, Gaminado, Wagwan? What's going on, bro? Holy chat, gold is rejecting a little bit here. This is interesting. I don't know what to trade today, chat. I don't know if to trade my PAs or to trade the top step evaluations and try and get them passed. Could be the move, to be honest. Could be the move, man. I think I'll just see depending on what the setup is. You know? Chat, this is good though. The hourly made a top wick right now. Basically, what I was thinking as well, I wasn't going to be really confident taking sells if this hourly closed below because it's very overextended. There's no real top wick, no real liquidity grab. But if this next hourly now closes below after this, or even the 30-minute, that's going to be a lot higher probability of a position because you've got a top wick now, you've got liquidity being grabbed, you've got some structure being made, like a lower high being made as well before you can continue down. So realistically, this is actually way better than if it closed below on the current hourly. So all we need to do is wait for maybe like a 15 close. 30 close would be a bit more ideal, but again, we'll see. How is it you can get text on your lines to say buys above, sells? But I did some magic, bro. I did some little spells on the market. I like got my crystal ball out. It's not even funny, is it, bro? You just double click and then you go to text. You type it in and then you click middle here and then right here and then it'll be done. I gave up on the joke halfway through, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, man. Chat, this is gonna be an interesting one. I'm actually so tired. Don't worry, I gave you a chuckle. All right, I appreciate it. I appreciate it, bro. What's gonna happen here? Do we have news today, chat? I don't think we do, right? Is it No News Friday? Need a white monster? I've got the pink one, chat. It's not really doing much, to be honest. No news. No news, which is good. Very, very good. Because that means we have pure price action today. Pure price action is nice action. Just terrible. An Australian rap music going around. Any Australian rap music going around? Update on the bugger sitch. Bro, you're insane. Chat, by the way, 45 of you in here right now. I appreciate it very, very much. Listen, drop a like on the video if you haven't already. It really does mean a lot. It helps out more than you know. So make sure you spam that like button. Press it twice. Actually, no, don't press it twice because then it'll unlike. Press it 3 times. And yeah, man. Yo, NQ looks actually quite good here. I'm in Croatia? No, you're not, bro. Unfortunately, you're not. Dubai pigeon deep. Okay. There we go. No. That 5 minute on gold is crazy. That is a big wick here. So if you reject from this and close bullish, could look at the buys to continue up, to be fair, chat. Wouldn't be totally invalid. We have comics open as well in 10 minutes. Saw Mr. Mochi sitting outside the job center earlier with a coffee cup begging. Yeah, that sounds about right. Me and Eugene, what's good, Jay? Nah, this guy's neither of you in Croatia. Yo, biggest batty boy on stream and all the little ones in chat. What's going on, Rastafari? Welcome back, bro. Bro, at this point, I've been like psyoped into thinking that every one of the troll accounts is just Eugene. Like, bro, this guy could genuinely have like 15 accounts and he just like is in charge of all of the the spam accounts. You missed me? No, I didn't. You'll never know. That is the point. 29 pips this morning. Good stuff, Jay. That's huge. Airport trade. No way. You coming to see me again, darling? Had to fix some stuff. So it was business. I'm in Croatia, you spoon. I'll be back with you soon, pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie is crazy work. That is actually ridiculous. I don't think I can accept that. Where's my hubby, Tom? Bro, he's bitching out there because we woke up late. He's like laying on the sofa, feeling sorry for himself. Nah, I'm joking. He's probably trading. Yeah, man. If this closes bullish here, chat, this could be actually very nice. So we've got comics open here in 9 minutes. Props bashing one, right? It's insane. I entered on the 15 minute buys, already out, done for Friday. W. WWW. SG, show us your hardest punch. I'm saving that for when you get in the ring with me, mate, Mr. Mochi. I'm still waiting for you to sign the contract. My team sent over the proof of funds and everything. And you're just not agreeing to this boxing match, which I think is ridiculous, to be honest. You called me out and now you're bitching it. I'm on the sofa. That NQ move played out. Mr. Shoulda, Coulda, Woulda. On everyone in chat's life, I am the market maker. Crazy. I've never cooked mushrooms and traded. Let's see what the future holds. What type of mushrooms? 1 second, chat. I'm getting a very important business call. It's my girlfriend.
Don't you to go.
$1 million, chat. That's all I'm gonna say. $1 million. Babe, do you want ketchup with your nuggets tonight? That's Tom asking me that, not my girl. Tom's asking me what I want with my food tonight when he cooks it for me nicely, puts it on the table. You know, Tom's just recently been cooking with just an apron on, nothing else. That's how he pays rent. I actually couldn't even get through that myself, to be honest. Holy shit. All right. Well, what's happening here, chat? Not much. Price is very slow. 15-minute closure very shortly. Gonna close within the range by the looks of things. Still bullish, but within the range. So it's gonna be interesting to see what actually happens. Plus socks. No socks. New short form coming out here. Yeah. There actually is. What the fuck? How you know that? What exercises do you do on leg day? Squats. Well, I tried to do squats yesterday on leg day, or the other day, and Tom was like, I'm not doing squats. So we had to compromise and do like belt squats on the belt squat machine. But I normally do squats, hamstring extensions, leg extensions. I like the what's it called, reverse hyper machine, which is like actually lower back, and the little squeezy ones that all the girls do. They're actually sick for your legs.
Don't you to go.
All right, cool. Sorry, chat. I had to do something. Nice. Yeah, that's a pretty standard leg day. The hip abduction, yeah, they're actually really good. Good girl, bad girl machine. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. But you basically just have to like do the little squeezy things, and they actually cook. Like they actually are really good for your inner leg. Leg press, squats, extension, curl, and hip abduction, and calves. But it depends on your calves, right? I basically have non-existent. No, not really, but mine are not that big, so I like to do calves. Hey, what's good, Bedge? How's it going, my bro? Train my neck on leg day. You gotta train your third leg as well, chat, on leg day. It's the rule. Forever that call should be the last priority. Be a real bad man, a real gallist. Bro is definitely a little incel saying shit like that. A real gallist, you know. You get no gal Rastafari. You know that. All right, chat, we're pushing up here. So you got a 30-minute close here. Comics open in 3 minutes. Let's see what Comics open can do. Hopefully it can give us the ripperoonies. Are you a Geoguessr? No, not really. I'm a taker man. Low key, it's a cheat code having a go. I've realized this week. Like, it's so much more productive having a girl that looks after you. When my girl's here, I don't cook, I don't clean, I don't do shit really, apart from work. Like, all I do is just work. $10 quadrillion. Chat, where is everyone, man? Is it Friday? Everyone's tired from the week ahead, eh? Holy shit. Rejection though, chat. This is interesting. 5-minute flipped. So realistically, what do we want to do here? Are we going for a nice little lower high being made, followed by a continuation downwards? If this 15 does close bearish within the range, you could take the sells to fill down towards 78 and further. Otherwise, if it closes bullish, chat, I think there's a lot of opportunity here. I think either way, if you close above the level, you're going to get a nice little position. If you close below it, you're also going to get one. You could either get this position above or the sells below. I'm not trading, just landed and on stream. Chat to me about a geezer. Chat to me about a geezer is crazy. Yeah, like realistically, if you start to close like this, you can look at some nice little seller-roonies to come back down here. You've swept some liquidity. Stops could be super tight as well. But I think I need that on the 15-minute rather than anything else. 15 minutos, man. Remember, like, Comics Open hasn't even happened yet. It's happening in like a minute. NYSE hasn't happened yet. Happening soon. So, I mean, look, we can see, chat. We shall see. Why did you not take those 15-minute buys? What 15-minute buys? This one? Because the hourly closed bearish, bro. I'm not trying to take an hour. Was I even on stream at that point? I don't even think I was. We had a delayed start to the stream. Maybe I was. I don't know. I just didn't like it. Wasn't the biggest fan, man. Bars. SG, this might sound stupid, but I struggle trading London in the mornings because I feel like my head isn't straight. Did you ever do anything to get in the right frame of mind? Nah, that is not stupid. That's actually like something I have as well. If that's the case, don't trade London, bro. You don't need to trade London. It's not like a necessity, right? I genuinely think if you're feeling like your head's foggy, you should get off the charts. Especially in the morning, bro. It might just be because you're not logged in. Maybe you need to wake up earlier. Maybe you need to not eat breakfast. I don't know what you do, but for me, I feel the same sometimes. I'm not as locked in during London as I am during NY. I feel like you have to identify that and actually like act accordingly, right? If you know that's the case, then you just got to stay away from the charts when you're not feeling that way, or figure out what it is and fix it. Yeah, so gold's ripping down here, chat. Interesting. So the 15-minute did close actually bullish, so no position here. I was looking at it on my other screen, but obviously no position because the 15 closed bullish. It gets very difficult at this point to take anything here. So unless the next 15, which is going to be the 30, can close bearish, or we actually end up getting, you know, that closure above after rejection, then we can look to take some positions. But for right now, I can't see anything here. I do think there's a lot of potential forming, but the positions right now are not right there. I bought the webinar, but I didn't get the email though, and I can't see it on the WAP app. When did you buy it, bro? You haven't read my messages on Instagram? Did the payment go through? And what's your Instagram? You can wait. Tell me your Instagram. I'll check the DMs because that's the best way for me to check. To be fair, I don't see it on the WAP either. You won't see anything on the WAP right now. Like, you won't see anything on the WAP right now because all it is a chat box for the moment. Obviously, because we haven't started the webinar yet. The webinar drops in like 10 days, I think, or 2 weeks. Don't worry though. Like, if you've paid for it, you've got access. Like, there's no chance that you don't. Obviously. But let me just see. Like, tell me your Instagram name and Willu, and I'll hit you up. Chat, we're ripping down here. Holy shit! So the 30-minute flipped here. Question is now, can we close outside the range? If you close outside this range, you're gonna rip all the way down towards 69. 69. Teehee. Oh yes, yeah, bro. You're in. Definitely. I'll reply to your Instagram message after stream, bro. I think I did see it, but I need to reply to it. But yeah, you're in. What's good, Level Up? How's it going, my bro? Welcome back. Long time, hope you are. I'm doing well. Anything going London? Anyone going London Prop Expo? No, chat, but I did get invited to speak at the Cyprus Prop Expo, so I'm probably going to be there. Can't lie. In Limassol. So if anyone's in Limassol for that Prop Expo, then I will be there most likely. That's in like a couple of weeks, I think. Or in a couple... I don't even know when it is. I need to check. I got invited to be a little speaker-rooney. I'm also doing an event with... oh, shit. Is that today, bro? Nah, it can't be. I'm also doing an event with Bright Funded. Like, as a guest speaker there. Bro, call me the keynote speaker. Were we supposed to get an email about it? No, I don't think you was. No, you weren't supposed to get an email. But we can see who's in, right? And you'll get a message inside the WAP. Don't worry, everything's running as accordingly, right? We're still a while away from the Webby. Everything's running completely as it should do. Like the stream, Widwilly. Yeah, Bedge is right, man. If you Widwilly haven't dropped a like, I don't even know what's going on. When is that? I'm not sure when it is, bro. Bit of a rejection. Oh, 5 closed bearish. Okay. What's the idea behind the trade here? I didn't take this, chat, to be truly honest. The idea was, if the 15 was going to close bearish, that we would rip back down after making a lower high. We still could take that. The problem is we're getting very close to the bottom of the range now, which makes it a little bit more difficult. I would like now, if this 15 can close below here, we can take that after the confirmation. But yeah. We'll see, chat. We'll see. The idea was to bait the viewers? No, bro. There actually was a position idea here. It's just unfortunately hasn't, it didn't form correctly. Which is kind of ass. No. Apparently, yeah, I got in trouble the other day with my girl. Apparently, it's a Russian tradition. You're not meant to whistle indoors. I don't know if anyone else has that in their culture or whatever, but if you whistle indoors, apparently the money goes away. So I'm trying to stop myself from doing that. I don't know why, bro. I always believe all of these superstitions that my Russian girl brings to me, because not just indoors, in general. What the fuck? But I like whistling, man. How much did you pay rent in the UK? I didn't really. Oh no, to be fair, in Leeds I was paying like 1.1k pounds a month for a 1-bed flat without utilities. Fucked. That's what my girl says. Well, apparently the thing is, if you whistle indoors, you blow all the money out the house. That's what like my girl said, and like that's what the tradition is. In Russian, and so many cultures, it's thought to cause financial ruin by blowing away money. Yeah. Mad. Stop whistling, you're gonna stop me out? Trust me. I'm a reverse whistle. Bring all the money back in. Smart. That's actually smart, Max. Have you tried traditional German meal? Are you German, Willu? Yeah, bro, I have. I've tried a lot of German food. A lot of German food, bro. Bratwurst. No, I'm joking. I've tried a lot of culture's food, to be honest. I'm a very, yeah, I was going to say, from your name, I didn't think so. I'm a very cultured man, chat. You might not think that, but I've been all around the world. Tried a lot of shit. Full manager's got no money. Do they whistle? Oh, yeah, they do. Yeah, bro, I don't know. It's a superstition. They're also not indoors, are they? Interesting, chat. Very interesting. Ripping back up here. Chat, honestly, what if we make 10 billion? Like, I'm dead serious right now. What if we did it? Because it could happen. We could easily make 10 billion right now. And then what are you gonna say? Yo, imagine I hit a trade that made 10 bill. It's actually not possible, really. But just imagine anyway. NQ's pushing up. Realistically, should tap this high here. Daily for NQ actually looks good. The little wick fill there on the higher time frame is pretty crispy. Chat, can gold just get out of this range, please? Por favor. Yeah, where's this Tom guy, man? He's meant to be on stream. I literally paid him to join the streams. I'm literally employing him to get catcalled by you guys, but he's not turned up.
Stop slandering me.
Oh, look at that. He comes to my command.
I'm in that way for.
You just said the hard R.
That's why I wasn't coming in. I was focusing. Although I'm gonna go be, at 7:49. It's just reached a daily high.
Always with the no clothes on stream, man. 3 days in a row, no clothes on stream.
I'm trading.
This guy just wants to show. He actually wants the attention. I can't lie.
Can I pop this here?
Do you want to get a share? Pull it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right, mate. All right. Do you want to bite on my grenade? No. Fuck off. Fuck off. Gyno going crazy. Oh
I don't have Gyno.
Yeah, bro's not natty.
I'm just extremely pale.
Tom, flex your biceps. Let's see that. Crazy work from you, Willu. No one wants to see that, chat. Oh, 30-minute close. I didn't even look. Bearish respecting, chat. Why respecting, man? It didn't need to do that. It didn't need to do that, did it?
Oh my god, I don't have any clothes. Go get a t-shirt from that store.
Interesting, chat. It's just a bottom wick, mate. Mate. Don't worry, mate. Oh, he's playing the stream out loud next to me as well, so I can hear my voice in my own right ear. Where is this? Oh, should I close this position? Oh, chat. Chat, he's in a position. Should I close it?
No. Don't you dare close it.
Imagine the scenes. What if I got the perfect close for you? Hang on, wait. Let me tell. Where's your? Yeah. Let me just do this. Thank you.
You still want that.
Tom always has a trade on. I know. Yeah, DJN.
30 trades on average per day.
Holy Sigma. All right, if gold could push up here and make a bullish, we just need to make some confirmation on direction, chat, to be truly honest. I don't care which way it is. Right now, whichever way you break out, I believe is going to be the way we actually decide to rip. So, it's going to be an interesting one, chat. Oh my God. I think there's genuinely a lot of potential here. I have to go back. We'll be back in 20 minutes. All right, bro. I'll see you in a bit. I forgot the screen wasn't on. I can't lie. I genuinely forgot the screen wasn't on. I was showing you guys some shit on the charts. Tom's trying to prove something. What's he trying to prove? That he's smaller than me. Yeah, he can prove that pretty easily. Straight facts.
Yeah, I'm not big.
No, that's just sad. You have to come in and be like a bellend about it. Otherwise, I feel bad about ripping you.
I may go for another department. Mate.
Who is that cheeky bastard?
I know you. I'm not even on cam, am I? No.
You are on cam. A little bit. Wait. Look at that. There you go.
I didn't even know you could do that. Make it bigger.
Well, I had made it smaller previously. I don't know who he is, man. He just turns up every now and then for a position. Did you?
My first entry.
Did you meet in uni?
So much better. Yeah, uni.
Yeah, uni. Uni is crazy, you know. O-O-N-I, he spelled it. Oh, chat. Gold pushing up here. Okay, good. Hourly flipping. It's literally flip-flopping right now. Flip-flopping around.
Mate, you know that was my first entry here.
Yeah. It's pretty cooked.
Stupid. I don't know why I went BE too early.
Yeah. I don't know. Chat, he's gone again. I'm going to close this position. Establish a nice support. Yeah, it kind of is, to be fair. You are right. So hopefully we can make some nice little bullish closures here after making that support. It should be decent. To be truly honest, I think there is a lot of opportunity here. I keep saying it, but I genuinely think there is. Oh my days. What is NQ doing, bro? He's in buys. Okay. It doesn't look too bad. Does not look too bad. 5 minute little rejecky though. Could just be a pullback. Could it be a rejection off this support? Could be both. Could just need some more beans, chat. I genuinely think I might start trading NQ soon. It looks quite nice. Every time I look at NQ, it looks pretty crispy. Pretty crispy, man. All right.
I'm holding it till pass.
Crispy. Chat, this is gay price action, man. Listen, what you guys got planned for the weekend? I've got some crazy shit planned, I can't lie. I actually can't focus on streaming right now. I'm so like, what's your favorite order type? What a question.
Limit.
Buy stop.
Limit orders are good.
Actually, recently I've been loving a market order. I can't lie, chat. We've got some big shit planned this weekend. I can't tell you guys what, but it's gonna be sick. You'll see eventually.
No, what is this?
Stop failed. It's actually got you. Bro hit break even.
What is that? That's ridiculous. That was the most
Did it do the mega rejection?
That's the most unnecessary pullback.
Yeah, that is kind of crazy. Hourly flipping though. That is, to be honest, that should be your TP, this rejection area here.
I don't know. Well, I mean, I was having a wee.
Clock it.
So stupid.
Clock what? This is gonna flip now as well, and you're gonna. Oh, that's actually gonna piss you off.
I'll just FOMO back here.
No FOMO, chat. We know the rules, right? Yo, chat, by the way, if you guys do want to join the webinar, right, we are literally coming up on filling some more, I'm filling all the slots, sorry. We filled some more slots just now. Yeah, we filled some more slots just now, so genuinely, I think by the end of today, it might be sold out. If not, it'll be like by Monday. So if you want to join that, DM me on Instagram, the word TRLS, or just shoot me a DM in general. And yeah, you can basically get some more information there. Ooh, chat. This is riveting, PA.
Oh, don't you dare.
Yeah, I'm off to bed. Hope you all have a good session and a good weekend. Much love. All right, Max, in a bit, my bro. Have a good sleepy BPs. Oh, interesting. Chat, it might be time. Might be time to make a milli. So if this candle can close bullish right now, right, you are going to be very decent to, what are you doing this weekend? I can't tell you, bro. I actually can't say because it's a big project I'm working on, I guess. And you'll see it when it comes out, but I can't ruin the surprise. But chat, that being said, what are you guys up to? Anyone got any interesting plans for the weekend? What are you doing?
I'm pissed.
Casino? Ooh.
To get the meta glasses.
Yeah, that's the thing. I want to get the meta Ray-Bans and go casino.
Because we've already had a run in with the Mafia now.
Oh my days, chat. Story time. I'm G-Tings the Huzz after stream. G-Tings, you know.
This guy's cheating nobody.
Dinner with Tom. Dinner. Chat, yesterday, me and Tom went and did a little photo shoot, yeah? Yeah. You'll see the photos on my Instagram today. They're actually cracked. Like, they're so good. Bro, we were at this, like, crazy ass fucking place. And at first we thought there was sound. I went and parked my car somewhere and we were getting photos. And then, after like 15 minutes, this big Russian security guard comes out. Like, genuinely, he was probably 100 kg. Like, he made me look ridiculously tiny. And he just goes, problem, delete now, problem, police. And I was like, ooh, shiver me timbers. And then he starts like basically running towards us. Luckily at that point, I mean, Tom saw him when he came out the door. So luckily we'd like basically got in the car. He came and tried to grab on the door handle. And I literally just like put the car in fucking sport and whipped out of there.
Yeah, it was actually, he was coming for the camera. I think
he was trying to grab the camera out of Tom's hand. He was like, problem, delete now, problem. And I was like, oh shit. Like, that was scary. No?
Yeah, no, it was.
Because I know the building we were at is owned by the mega oligarch, right? Like, the mega, I don't even want to say it just in case I get whacked.
He
but
might be in stream right now.
Yeah, exactly. What if he's in stream?
He's triangulating your address right now.
The thing I'm going to do this weekend is right next to you. Tongue emoji, wink, tongue emoji.
It's just...
Danny, that's ridiculous.
It's just unacceptable.
Oh, my days, it's ripping as well.
If this flips, I'm destroying your setup on stream. Just everything. Everything in this room is getting broken. It's Ginu as well. That's such a troll as well. But then I would have... Like keeping a lemon on was whack. He didn't.
Yeah, Mr. Mochi, the ones you uploaded yesterday were fucking terrible. I can't lie. You didn't even do the keeping it lemon thing. You put keeping it lemon and then you just stood there. Bodyguard wanted a trade signal. Imagine, bro. He's like, buy or sell gold. News in 5 minutes. There's no news today. What about today's one? Also whack. There's no news today. Where did you get that from, my bro?
Maybe he's Japanese.
It's already happened. What's huge? There's not even a yellow folder. Chat, can we get a decent closure here, please? Spasiba. Gooning with the gang is crazy.
How does he swap between accounts so quick?
He's got two laptops.
Two monitors open.
No, he has two laptops.
Just typing on each side.
Bro, look at this. Mr. Mochi's message was deleted by Eugene Jr. This guy's giving himself timeouts.
He's actually schizo.
You actually are schizophrenic. I would bet a relatively high number on the fact that you've got schizophrenia.
Maybe Mr. Mochi is just one of the voices in his head. Oh my god, look at that. That's fine, actually. I'm okay with that.
Is it adequate volume today? Yeah. Volume's good right now. Direction is just not good, right? Remember, chat, every time you enter a position, you need three things. You need D, L, D, L, V. Don't lack for vagina. Now, direction, liquidity, volume. We have liquidity above here. You have volume because you're moving. Right now, we don't have a confirmed direction yet. If we break below what we're targeting, we'll probably be targeting 68 or 69. Shut up. I can smell what you're eating, bruv. Mr. Mochi, mate, I can smell you from fucking literally miles away. You're a panda. Oh my days, bro. Next time you get stopped out, I'm gonna do a take the L dance right over you. Then after DLV, how would the entry be? DLV is just like a checklist, right? The entry is still based off of whatever the entry criteria is that we're going for. Maybe it's a breakout below a level. Maybe it's my Sky Dweller play. Maybe it's my trend play. Maybe it's I don't know, breaking a previous high. Maybe it's, you know, I have all my entry models on the YouTube channel if you want to watch them. There's a lot. Well, there's not really a lot. There's like 4 probably. But yeah, Mr. Me6, I want to learn how to trade. Oh, that could be a banger video.
Rick and Morty.
Your stream record is based on what RR? I mean, bro, to be honest, I don't trade with a fixed risk to reward, right? Like, I never really have a specific risk to reward. I would say on average, my risk to reward is between 0.5 and 2. Somewhere in that range. So it's a pretty broad range. Like, some of the trades we take will be 2-to-1 risk to reward. Some of them will be 1-to-1. Some of them will be negative. But I just let the market decide that for me. For example, this trade here, right? The most valid stops if you get a sells below is going to be above this high. And the most valid TP is going to be down here. So it just so happens that the RR is like 1.39. But if the most valid stops were here, I would take that. Or if the most valid stops were up here, I would probably take that as well, right? So it's just like, it's dependent on the market. I always let the market decide. I'd say your average is 1-to-1. Yeah, I think so too, Badge. Recently, I can't lie, with props, it's been a lot different, to be honest. Like, with props, my risk to reward's been like 2-to-1 almost every time. And I've still been getting like a 50% win rate, which has been fucking mad. If you think about it. Right, let me look at this. Let's look at this Top Step account. Yeah, look. So this Top Step account is pretty fucking crazy. 51% win rate and then like a 1.9 average risk to reward. So with like 3K made. That is ridiculous in terms of profit. And risk to reward in comparison to, you know, win rate. That is very, very high. 51% win rate with a 2 risk to reward is extremely good. Like, most traders would be extremely happy to even achieve that, right? Even a 50% win rate with like a 1.5 or even a 1-to-1 risk to reward, right? People would be like happy with that. But 2-to-1, that's crazy. That's extreme. Like, profit factor of 2 across this many trades is very, very good. $1 million. Clip farmer. What's this one? I think this one might be a little bit lower. Yeah, this one's 1.5. 50% win rate. So still profitable, right? Obviously. Do you have a Revolut card? Why would I tell you what bank account I'm with? What a question that is.
You can send him the account number and the sort code and send you the bread.
Found it. See, look at this rejection chat. This is why you wait for closures. 3 digits on the back. What's good, Tom? How's it going, my bro? Yeah, tell me your national insurance number as well whilst you're at it. Oh. By the way, all of the one-on-one students are gonna get access to the webinar as well. I'm figuring out whether you guys are gonna be able to get access at the time or whether I'm just gonna drop the recording. But either way, I'll give you Waitrose backdoor pin. Bro, if I knew that right now, I'd creep in and then sit in the break room waiting for Maria. And then just flex on her, I think. Just be like... Me and Tom used to work together at Waitrose in Kingsthorpe, right?
Oh, right.
And she was our boss. I just baited the location as well. I don't care. Yeah, no, I've said that on stream before. That honestly was the wackest job ever. Unfolding cardboard boxes to put on the shelves at like 1 a.m. in the morning. I can't lie, like middle class customers are the worst.
Yeah, because they're just rude.
No, they're not rude. They're just like super entitled. Like they think, actually some of them are really nice. But like, a lot of them are super entitled, and especially when you're 17 or whatever, they just think they know way better. You'd be like, nah, this one's not on sale, and they're like, no, it is on sale, and like you scan it, it's like, no, it's not on sale, and they're like, no, it is. Go get the manager, and the manager comes and goes like, yeah, it's not on sale, and they're like, oh.
Mate, for me, it was always like the over 60s.
Yeah, no, to be fair, that's true. It's old men and women, like only. Old men and women are just the worst.
So condescending.
Like. Nah, actually, the worst thing at Waitrose for me used to be, bro, we used to have a boss called Dan, right? He was probably what our age is now, like 25. Bro loved his job more than life itself, right? If you were caught doing anything, he'd just smoke you. And then, like, I barely spoke to him, but one time we were in the break room together and he started talking to me. And he was like, so, have you thought about going for any progression roles here? In terms of like leadership, management and that. I was like, no, I'm actually at law school. And he was like, you, a lawyer, we'll see how that works. Bro still works at Waitrose and I make like 5 figures a month. This guy can suck out. Oh, no relaxing, just Waitrose? Honestly, yeah, it's cooked. I still get mad at that to this day just because of how much of a wank tard he was. It's just ridiculous.
Why don't we pull up?
Yeah, actually, I genuinely would pull up nowadays. I just wait until I buy like a $10,000 mink jacket, right? I'm gonna buy like a full mink coat, right? And then gold ass chains. And just pull up and be like, I'm gonna get you in the background with a beatbox. Might quit trading and join Waitrose? Yeah, it could be the move, Mr. Mochi. You're not gonna make it. You are not gonna make it, my bro. Unfortunately, with a name like that, you may as well quit trading forever. Go back and smack him with a stack of cash in his face. Imagine. I've already made it. Mr. Mochi on the trolleys. Bro, Mr. Mochi would be definitely on the fucking trolleys outside. In the rain. Wet fur and everything. That job was cooked, bro. The trolleys was so whack. Just like...
I never worked in a supermarket.
Yeah, no, you worked in...
Trolley job does... I feel like that'd be one of the more fun ones, no?
No, yeah, it actually was, because you could put your headphones on outside because there was no managers. I used to just hide around the corner and go on my phone for like 5-10 minutes. Those little 5 minutes on your phone that you can get your scrolls in, are the best. Chat, 1 hour closing here in 9 minutes. Holy shit, if we can close below here, not when it rained, true, when it was cold and wet in the winter.
Oh, yeah.
Diabolic. And then, bro, you couldn't wear your own coat, right? You had to wear the Waitrose branded coat to go outside, and it was just this stinky, big, long coat. Oh my days, we're ripping, chat. Can we get a nice little position on this closure below? Let's lock it in here. We got 8 minutes. I'm literally about to buy 3 properties in Pitch It. What is that?
Is that another Mr. Mochi show?
Bro, what the fuck? Where is this? Is it a tiny village in like Thailand or some shit? It is. What the fuck? The most obscure references. Everyone needs to work those jobs at some point in life. Humbling experience. Nibba. Crazy. Yeah, no, that's true. Like, retail jobs, chat, I'll tell you a story. I think I told this story on stream before, but I worked at Amazon for 3 hours.
Yeah, with Wibby.
I literally worked at Amazon for 3 hours. Me and my boy at uni. Well, actually, my boy from home moved up to our uni house. And we were like, right, it's summer break. We're going to stay at uni for summer. Work at the Amazon warehouse all summer. Get enough money to go traveling when uni starts up again. Because fuck going to lectures. Bro, he moved his stuff up. Like, we did a massive food shop for the week and everything. Ready to get locked in. Turned up to the Amazon warehouse for the first shift. 3 hours in, we both looked at each other and went, fuck this. And quit.
Yeah, because he had you on like the wet.
Yeah, it was cooked.
Yeah.
And then like, we didn't even quit. We just ran out the building and drove away as quick as possible. Actually cooked.
Nice.
I've locked it in, no cap. This guy's not locked in. What's NQ doing?
I don't know, I'm not gonna go.
Oh, chat, little liquidity below the range. Did it sweep some lows? No, not really. I work as an assistant administrator, grateful for it, but damn, is it soul sucking? Bro, it's one of them things, right? You'll look back on it and be grateful for them. I'm actually grateful for the jobs I work too. Because like, I would not be the person I was if I didn't work them, you know? And I maybe wouldn't be as motivated if I didn't know how shit it was. Like, I remember my dad, chat, my parents are from a very decently well off, you know? Like, they're not rich, but they definitely they definitely are okay. So I probably didn't need to get a job when I was at uni or anything. But my dad was like, nah, you're going to get one because it's going to make you realize like actually what you need to do. So like when I was working these jobs throughout uni, Waitrose, etc., my dad was always going like, yeah, it's shit right now, but it'll be good for you. And then when I joined the law firm, it was better than those jobs, but it was still shit. And then eventually he was like, see, now you figured out like what it is to work a job. When I said I want to quit the law firm, he was like, now you figured out what it is to work a job. Go and like do something for yourself and make it happen. And bro, I'm so fucking grateful for that. That's like generational advice from the big man. Because like,
He's coached you.
bro, you working a job is fucking wank. No one ever got money, like made a serious money from working a job. Unless like you're a CEO of a massive company, but that takes ages and like, yeah.
Arguably, you're not an employee anymore.
Me?
No, as you're a CEO.
Oh yeah, true. W Trend Senior? Yeah, W Trend Senior, can't lie.
Not Mr. Mochi's dad's like.
Definitely dadless. With that fucking
100%.
attitude. Working some jobs I've had made me wake up and think, fuck this. Yeah, I know. Honestly. Chat, we're ripping up here. Maybe we can get some little buys of Roonies here. Little like Sky Dweller play. Could be good. Stops below this low here. TP up here somewhere. Oh, you got 5 minutes to the hourly close, chat. You broke some Strucky as well.
Some Strucky.
Not the Strucky. Breaking Strucky, chat.
There's no water back here.
No, I moved it out. Bro just leaves his stuff everywhere around the gaff. I'm gaming, shush, 1 sec. Alright, bro, alright. Cyprus is at the World Track and Field Championship in Tokyo. Hope they make it to the Olympics in Los Angeles. Olympics is mad. But I actually want Cyprus to make it to the World Cup. Wait, can they even do that? I don't know.
I don't think so.
Cyprus World Cup.
The second bottom of that group.
Oh, what? Bro, my next door neighbor plays for Cyprus. Is Tom your partner? Like, it's not even possible to have a bro nowadays without getting like the gay allegations.
What?
Wait, back to your dad. Give me. This is the.
Why does it look like that? Just type in World Cup table.
This is CyprusFootballAuthority.com.
I know, but why have you got to like decipher it from an image? Just type in table.
Shut up.
Yeah, great.
Wait. Let's find my neighbor. Here he is. That's actually my neighbor. No cap.
No cap.
Number 14.
Where does he play?
Bro, he's 28.
He's a defender.
Yes, centre back. Bro, if you not, you've probably never seen him.
No, not really.
He's about 7 foot tall. Big bald head as well. He's definitely just out of the box, mate.
Couldn't defend me.
He'd have you locked up, mate.
I definitely couldn't defend me.
Is he any good? I presume so. To play for Cyprus, you've got to be pretty good. And no matter how bad a national team is, you've got to be good to play for them.
Well, you've got to be better than everyone else in the country, so.
Why can't I find the table? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think
Played 5, won 1, drawn 1, lost 3.
I think it's because San Marino are the worst team in the world. So
Oh, no, they're not. Yeah, they're...
Like, well,
San Marino lost 5.
I might be wrong, but San Marino got like their 2nd ever win, and it was like a really big deal. I think it was like
Not in this.
recently. Not in this. I mean, in like
Cyprus,
I could just be talking shit, to be fair.
Cyprus beats Peterbread plays for them. That's kind of crazy. The bro got scored against, but they only beat San Marino 2-0. That's kind of not good.
Have a look where they are in the world rankings, Cyprus.
I don't think they're very high up, mate.
Well, I would imagine they are one of the worst teams.
They lost to Kosovo, Romania, Kosovo again, Romania again. Lost to Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria. I mean, Austria's fair. Drew to Romania. Oh, there is still World Cup qualifiers going. Maybe they got a chance, man.
I don't think so.
I don't think they're gonna make it. Either way, there's a big British fucking like area in Cyprus where like the RAF base is. Apparently, it's lit when the football's on. Like during the Euros, apparently it was like one of the sickest places to be, because you got to think it's gonna be summer, hot, pub gardens, because they have like British pubs there. It's gonna be sick.
That does sound good.
Chat, this 30 looks good. I can't lie. Maybe we can get a nice little position. We broke some structure on the 5. Lock it in here, chat. I'm gonna take this on a top step of Val. If we get a bottom wick, chat, I'm gonna be in this like swimwear. I need a bottom wick though.
A couple of biases.
Give me the bottom wick. Also, I don't want this 30 to close no top wick. That'd be pretty fucking annoying. Right, what are we going to do on the open here? How long does it have? Where's the timer? 5 seconds.
3, 2. Oh, it's already happened.
Oh. Well, where's my tab? Yeah, chat. I'm gonna have a buy stop on the flip of this candle. Buy stop, flip of the candle. Now this is on an eval, but I mean, so act accordingly, right? I'm not taking this on a live account today because it's a Friday and we already made money this week. Oh my days, I just tabbed out.
I just crashed out.
Buy stop, flip of this candle right now, chat. If you want to take it, obviously. You don't have to copy me. There's no reason that you should have to do that, right? Obviously.
Yeah, that's just awesome when trading just freezes. Love to see it.
Wait, actually, I need to set up the copy trading.
God, this app sometimes, man. It just completely froze.
Holy bottom wick. The reason I'm not taking the wick entry, chat, is purely because we're quite bearish right now in terms of overall structure. So I'm gonna need to see this rejecting first before we can get the position. Because right now, chat, we're 15 looks arse. But look at that, the 30-minute and the hourly, right? It looks pretty good. But if this breaks the low, chat, we'll delete, right? I see the 15, bro. Don't you worry. Don't you bloody worry. Pumpkin.
What is this? Why does it keep freezing? Daily just flipped.
Yeah. If it breaks the low, I'll delete.
It's actually cleaner to see on your screen.
Huh?
I'm just saying it's cleaner to see on your screen.
Alright. Chat, we'll delete these. We'll delete these, man. Oh, wait, actually. Because if it sweeps the low and rejects, that's actually like a lot better. But the daily flipped, right? The 4 hour flip, daily flip. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that is pretty whack. Let's delete this. Let's delete it, man. Nothing wrong with that, chat, eh? You don't have to have your ego so involved that you can't, like, admit something's gone against you, right? Like, it hasn't even gone against me, but it did sweep the lows. It's just, yeah, that daily flip is really not the nicest.
Hopefully nobody jumps in with a market order.
Some people definitely do that to try and get a better like entry than me. But look at this reject key. Maybe we can wait for like the closure above here, actually. That might be nicer.
Is anyone in this? I'm curious. This guy. 100%. He's not wrong to be fair, is it? There is a smidge of potential.
Somebody's spending money like a motherfucker because Cyprus is popping up everywhere. Cyprus GDP is growing really fast. Yeah, because everybody's moving it.
Yeah.
Like literally everybody. I've been saying this.
There's gonna be lots of FDI over the next few years. Everyone bringing all their money over.
What's FDI?
Foreign direct investment. Chat, there's lots of potential right now.
I just got a message saying, have you got the new FIFA?
From who? Buddy.
Somebody that You're broke!
You're fucking poor.
You're fucking poor. Classic. Uh-oh. I've just been sent a link on WhatsApp by Eugene.
Don't say that, because that irritates me, and I punch blokes in the mouth for saying that. Don't you dare say that. My family have been in this country for 140 years, right? So you, and if you say anything like that,
I dread to think how
on
that
many
is.
occasions,
Huh?
Probably so loud.
Bro, what is your For You page, man? Oh, like your... Oh, shit, chat, we're ripping here.
I might put it back on, you know.
5 closed respecting. Yeah, chat, we can try this one out. We can try this one out. If this flips, it should drive. I don't see why it wouldn't. I'm going to put the buy stop back on. After that sweep of the low and then the rejection, especially with the 5 closing respecting, I don't know why it wouldn't push up, man. What would stops be?
76.
64.
64.
Zoo Lane.
676 could be stops. Just
Chat, I have a buy stop on the... Oh yeah, it could be... Yeah, I have a buy stop on the flip of this. Tom definitely took the sells. Oh, he's got you. He actually is full port sells right now. I'm going to put it up, a little bit up here though. If it starts to do some funny business, chat, then... I don't know, man. Break-even point is probably going to have to be this level here, which is pretty tight, but actually, no, it's not. It's 17 pips. That's not bad. What's good, Mr. Matt? How's it going, my bro? Welcome back to the streams. I'm done for the week, but dropped in to see you guys. Very cute of him.
That's lovely.
That is lovely, actually. Pass my account. Mochi, I told you the offer. I'll pass your account for $1,000. As long as this low holds, yeah. If it starts getting techie here, then might be a delete skis over and over and over.
My daily just flipped again, back to bullish. Why don't we full margin opposite direction and then split the profits? Nah, I'm not on NQ. That was earlier. I got stopped out VE. Which that's actually a good point. What is NQ doing now? Imagine it's just running.
Tom has entered an NQ? Nah. I think he was.
No, it's fine. It's rejected.
Another little stab below the range. Closing in on 9k chat. Yeah, shit, we are. What are we on right now? Like 8.9 or something? Yeah, we are. Oh, shit, we're on 88888. That's pretty cool.
Why is everything he does so clean?
Everything I do is clean. Chat, look at this. Oh. Oh my god.
Game Ronaldo, my day is going exquisite.
8. Oh, wait.
That's going alright. I mean, we're both pretty tired.
I want to focus.
You can see it. Hey.
Yeah, whatever. Is Tom bringing the value?
I'll bring the vibes.
No value and no vibes. Alarm didn't go off. I'm really late to the stream. Want to screenshot that? Yeah, I did. Angel Number. Tom is ass.
Get this guy tired.
That's simple but effective. I can't lie. He's absolutely got you. Wait, I'm going to get some water. I'll be back in a sec. If the 5 closes below, delete my buy stop.
On what though? Oh, top stuff. I don't know where it is on his PC.
I actually just got flashbang by the beef.
Wait, am I going to leak anything if I alt up here? Probably not.
I'll just do it.
You got anything? You got anything naughty on there?
Crazy. What's good, Aditya? How's it going, my bro? Wow, who's this new guy with SG on camera? You don't need to worry about that, man. Don't worry about him. Nah, he's my student and friend. Oh, friend.
Nah, just you.
Just student is crazy. Damn, Tom in the big boy seat. Yeah, momentarily he had a feeling of, fucking hell, this is tight. There you go.
Are you gonna do this water? Oh, that's mine. He stole mine at the gym.
Hello, student / friend. It's his boyfriend, you dummy. It's Rainbow Stream here. That is actually ridiculous. Chat, I'm gonna delete this buy stop. This is being pretty gay. Where's the what? S&P? Oh, bro. We don't have it today, unfortunately. He keeps stealing my waters. Chat. I don't know if you guys have seen, but if you head over to my Instagram, I'm currently running the webinar, the Masterclass of Dreams, right? TRLS Masterclass 2.0. If you were in the first one, you know how fucking valuable this shit was. Literally, look. First webinar we did, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 people passing a vow, right? And essentially, October 1st, I'm going to be running it back. We have 20 slots for this one. First masterclass I did, we had 10 slots. This time, we're doing 20 slots, but we've already sold 12 out of the 20. So it's like, it's going to sell out way before, maybe even today. So, if you haven't already and you want to join, go to my Instagram, DM me. We're also giving away $1.5 million in funding on it, which is fucked. That's one of the biggest giveaways ever. And yeah, as you can see, they're selling out fast. So make sure you DM me, man. Throw it back.
What picture?
Oh my days, this might flip. It might be the flipperoon skis. Chat, by the way, I have deleted this sell stop.
I'm getting rage baited by NQ right now.
Let me put my electrolytes in this water. Yeah, that's right. I'm hydrated. Don't you worry about it. Oh, it has flipped, chat. Broke the highs. Wait, what's the 5 doing there? 5's got no bottom wick. Chat, this is just like weird price action right now. Everything else looks good. I mean, the 15 looks okay, but the 30-minute and the hourly looks good. Who's the Donny beside you? That's good, Matthew. His name's Tom. He's my one-on-one student. Also one of my boys. Also about to be 250k funded, by the way.
I could have been 100k today.
No, shoulda, coulda, wouldas.
I just got rage baited by NQ earlier.
Chat, it's ripping. That would have been BE right there. If you are in this, go BE right now. Maybe I'll grab it up. My credit card is due for in one and a half months. The webinar is only $50, right? The masterclass, sorry, is only $50. So it's pretty cheap. It's actually ridiculously cheap. I think, genuinely, next one I do, if I do another one, which I might not do, but if I do, it's going to be at least 100, maybe 150, because it's way too cheap. Yeah, it ripped. 250k is in such little time is insane. Well done, Tom. Don't well done him yet. He hasn't done it yet. He's 50k funded right now, but
Only 50 right now.
you're getting there. 15 chat. If this 15 closes like this,
I just have. I'll let you do your analysis.
if this 15 closes like this, chat will be in there. Because this looks fucking clean now. When are you going offline so I can go into Wix, Impulse, and Pineapple Goat? Crazy stuff. Chat, it's ripping, man. Why did it go without? Chat, we deleted the buy stop for a reason, right? Maybe we can get the same entry, right? If this 15 closes above bottom wick, that's actually going to be so clean. Everything he does is so clean. 15 closes in a minute, chat. Lock it in. We're hunting right now.
This is when it just flies up.
Seen that? Did you remember that interview with that guy, like on a night out, and he's like, "Oh." Tom saying that is kind of crazy. Everything he does is so clean. Nothing you do is clean.
Everything I do is clean. Work during the end of the year.
I have a question for you. Do the TRLS concepts work during the end of year? Just curious, because a lot of people say November, December PA is very ass. Q4 every single year for the past 3 years of my trading career has been my best quarter. Q4 is fucking monumental for me. It's where I make the most money every single quarter. So yeah, it definitely works towards the end of the year. Your reason wasn't valid according to what you said though. We removed the stop if it breaks the low, but it didn't. Bro, I just didn't like how it was playing about. Like, I just didn't like how it was playing about. Sometimes you can just like not like the position, right? In my opinion, a liquidity grab would be a flipper to come down. And if I miss the move, so be it, right? But also, if I don't like the position, I'm just not going to take it. But chat, now the 15 closed bullish here, right? If we get like a nice little bottom wick tapping into this level, we can have our entry there like this, same position, and take that to continue up. No problemo. Remember, also it's a Friday, right? I don't want to force anything on a Friday. Can we pop down here? A little bit further, like 14 pips further. Or is it just going to rip? Forced. Bro, that's crazy. So we still doing the old Geoguessr at the end of stream G? Yeah, of course, my bro. We'll never get rid of the Geoguessrs. I mean, maybe we will. It is making a bottom wick in my opinion, but I wanted it to come down further. I think this fills the range. Personally, it should fill up towards the high. It just flipped. I don't think it did. It tried to. Okay, yeah, it did. You're right. I'm not going to FOMO in. This is valid in my opinion, but I'm not going to FOMO in here. To me, this feels like FOMO. So I'd rather let it go. That 15 flip was nice, but... Taps 92? Yeah, minimum 92, I think. I kept the buy stop. Nice, Tom. Good shit, man. See, that's critical thinking there. You thought for yourself. You didn't just copy me. And you made money, right? That's an absolute W. An absolute W. For me, it just wasn't 100% valid, right? And I'm happy to miss that all day, every day. Like I said, I've literally passed $600,000 in funding this week. I'm not trying to like rinse anything.
Ruin it on the last day.
Yeah. What's NQ doing? Do you bring your stop loss closer when it rips, or do you leave it at BE?
Oh, okay.
I normally leave it at BE,
That's so
to be honest.
I just look, mate. I'll just call it that.
Yeah.
From here, look.
GG's chat. If you took that, congrats. What you can do as well is we can wait for the 30.
Look, mate. Look at my analysis. Here, and then the full move to here.
Yeah.
That's perfect. That is literally what I've been working on.
Well, that's a W then.
I know it is, but it's just cool.
How do you add a stop loss on TradingView after taking 50%? Did you not put a stop loss at the start? If you haven't added one already, just go here and go sell stop and then put it on where you want like your stop loss to break even to be and then click it. But change the order size to the amount you're currently in still. Where are the old school homies? They all pull up normally. It's a Friday, bro. I think, to be honest, a lot of people probably aren't trading. It's been a long week in terms of trading, right? You have FOMC this week. A lot of people would have blown accounts and shit. Chat, by the way, 60 people in here. I appreciate it very, very much. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Took a big win on Monday. Didn't want to risk my profits when we could have a 5 bottom wick and could have flipped at any minute. Wanted to wait for the 15. Game's gone. Oh, the game's the game. My bad, yeah. This is what I'm saying, chat, as well. For me, that's kind of invalid. When the 55 has no bottom wick, this could literally have just gone, like, bang, and then flipped down, and then you would have got stopped out, and then everyone would have been crying, like, SG, why didn't you take it? Why did you take it? Sorry, you should have waited, because the 5 had no bottom wick. It did run, but game's the game.
You know what? You're actually right.
What?
I am happy with that.
If you're in that chat, Tom's just saying right now about how his analysis played out, but you got stop break even. If that happens to you, remember, as traders, your job is to take away the positive from every situation. Your analysis played out, which means you're a good trader. It just so happened the market wasn't in your favor today in terms of like not hitting your break even. But if you literally call the perfect trade and your analysis plays out, you are literally... That's exactly what you have to do as a trader. It just so happened today the market wasn't on your side, but it's actually a positive. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Nigel.
You're right. That's the literal tick as well. Look at that.
It's crazy. Where's the top ticker now?
I mean, you could argue that that is what would it be at bottom right? It's both. I'm not interested in doing that.
All you have to do is take that trade, put it on social media, forget about the 50 others that you failed before it.
Yeah.
You know, chat, a lot of people, this is actually something I wanted to talk about, right? You know, you see people like bottom ticking and top ticking nowadays. You realize the thing that they do, I mean, you're in a group, like not in a group, but in a free Discord or whatever with someone who does it. And what they do is they literally just like, will put a position like this. Let's say they put their entry here. They'll have like 10 point stops. It will get ran through. They'll do it again. They'll do it again. They'll do it again. Keep moving it down and down and down. And eventually what's going to happen is obviously,
One will hit.
yeah, you're going to get the bottom tick and it's going to hit like this. And then all you have to do is put that one on social media. So don't let that like psyop you into thinking that that's what trading is. Because 90% of these guys, their win rate's like 10%, bro. The ones that you see where they're like catching fucking trades like this, their win rate is so small.
What is that then? Is it that number?
I don't know how it works on NQ, to be honest. But yeah, I think it might be.
How do you calculate your RR from that?
Hello, Potter. No way. Not Mr. Snip. Do you know the law behind this?
I mean, I've seen the early. I wasn't watching the early shoot.
Chat, if you're an OG, you know the law behind this. It has been a long time, Mr. Snape. We used to have all of the Harry Potter members coming into stream every single day. Like, it was fucking fun, to be fair. Insane. What's good, Aditya? I already said that. I don't know why I said that, but you've been here a while. You're an OG, right? You'll remember that. Indeed, yeah, there you go. Victory settings. Oh my god, there you go. And demonstrating their method on the previous days, but never live. Yeah, trust me. Power went out and I'm in the position. I've set BE though. May I ask if we hold? I'm not in it, but you're break even, right? So your downside is, Nothing, obviously. So it depends like what you want to do. If you want to risk it, to be fair, you shouldn't, if this 30 closes above, you shouldn't really come back all the way down here. What's the GOAT RR for relaxed profitability? The GOAT RR is not thinking about risk to reward. You should never have a fixed risk to reward. You shouldn't target 2-to-1s, 3-to-1s, 1-to-1s. The GOAT risk to reward is, you get in a position, let's say it was this position here. You think about where the stops are valid, below the liquidity you've just grabbed, cool. You think about where the TP is valid, either this high or this high, and then you just see what RR it was, and you take it. It doesn't matter what the risk to reward is. If this trade, the most valid stops were here and the TP was here, for a 0.6 risk to reward, I would have still taken it. Same as if it was like this and stops were like this for a 5-to-1, I would have taken the exact same thing. I just let the market decide it all for me. Because at the end of the day, the market does not give a shit what risk to reward like you have. It gives a shit on where the orders are resting and where it can go to fill those orders. And that is literally it. So that's all you're trying to do as a trader, is go from one set of orders to the other and essentially manage risk appropriately. That's literally it. It doesn't matter about risk to reward. I don't have a fixed risk to reward. I have never had one.
I'll just take a screenshot of that.
Mentally it acts? No, it doesn't. Click the camera button.
Oh. Wait, is that how you... I've been doing it the other way. I've just been snipping. And then what downloads.
What do you want to do with it?
Just keep it.
Where?
I don't know.
No, like what are you gonna do with it? You're gonna put it in a journal or?
Oh well, everything. Journal.
It's up to you. You can download the image and it will save it. You can copy it so you can paste it into like a Google Forms. You can copy the link so that it will just send a link to the chart.
Oh yeah, I'll download the image. I want that file.
Is all of Tom's funding through Apex? Yeah, at the minute he's only won. Well, not only. This is a fucking big achievement, but at the minute he's funded 50k through Apex with 4 more accounts very close to passing.
Yeah, I have 4 accounts within 2%. So they're all like around the 5,200 mark, like give or take $100 to $200 either side. My biggest problem at the minute though is like once I get to that 5,200 mark, like I start getting that feeling like, oh, I'm really close. Like I need to make sure the next trade is valid. So I basically get to the 5,200 mark and then just go on a different account and then trade that one up. And that's kind of why I'm in the position where I'm at now, where I have 4 accounts all close to passing, but none of them actually passed. Because it is much easier to trade when the account is fresh, I think.
Why?
Like I was just saying, like when I know I'm within a trade or 2 trades of passing, I don't know, it just feels, I don't know, a bit more scary really.
Want to play out after the stream, G. You got this, Tom. You've been crushing it. You have been crushing it. That was gay. Done the hard bit. Yeah, the hard bit is the first one, right?
Mm.
To be fair, I'm not gonna lie, bro's never really lost a trade, like properly. I know you've lost like, a couple, but like you've never really.
I've lost.
You've never really been in drawdown.
I've not had like a monster loss. No, I've had.
Yeah, Tom's psychology is actually really, really good, like from the get-go, which is kind of crazy. Like,
I've had a couple 1% losses.
How long did it take Tom? Well, the difference is, right?
Nothing long.
Tom joined the one-on-one program because I've known him a while. Obviously, then like we got back in contact with it. Like we actually didn't speak for ages. Then he was like, "Oh, yo, bro, like what's going on?" Then he joined, paid for the one-on-one, etc. And basically, fucking just within like 2 months of that, you passed your first.
Yeah.
3 months.
Like the job I was doing back home was only like 20-25 hours a week. So, and like a lot of that was at the weekends as well. So Monday through Friday, I did like also was working my job. But I also had a lot of time to just sit and watch Sam streams and like backtest, trade on a.
Wait, Tom, you
paper trade account.
Yeah, Tom, that, as well as you actually. It took you 2 months from when you joined the one-on-one, right? Holy shit! We need to do some student fucking interviews.
Yeah, you probably should.
Cause fucking hell, like chat. So both Toms, Tom Eustace in chat, Tom here, joined the one-on-one, and within 2 months we're fucking passed with like, well, Tom's passed, fucking hell, it's so confusing. Tom in chat's passed 2 50Ks. You've passed 1, nearly 4 more. Join the fucking one-on-one chat is all I'm gonna say. Holy shit. It's obviously like the mega source.
Yeah, I'd never traded before either, Tom. Like, I wouldn't have even really been able to explain to you, like, what's something really simple, like market structure, or like, even really a candle. Like, I kind of had to
relearn.
Literally, like, understands that, like, what the wicks and stuff, man. Because when I first started, I didn't even really understand that. I thought I did, but then when I watched videos of Sam explaining it, I was like, okay, no, I don't understand it.
Let's all change our name to Tom. That's the key. Smart. That's the meta. Nope, I had no idea. Holy skibs.
Yeah, the only thing that I've done that is like semi-training related is I did finance at uni, but there's not really. People always like to think like, ooh, like doing finance. I also got I got chartered because I was trying to be an asset manager as my like main job, but it does not help, not really. At least not the way we trade anyway.
SG, how to get the $50 course? Is it in the first link in the description? Nah, go to my. Do you have Instagram? Go to my Instagram and click the link in the bio, and the link to sign up's there. The one-on-one people printing makes me want to join in. Chat, might me send me a DM, bro. I don't know if we have any spaces left. We might do. Send me a DM and I'll see if we can get you in. But honestly, the one-on-one has been fucking ridiculous. Like, genuinely, every single person that's joined has made massive progress. I think right now we have an over 50% funded rate, which is just insane. As a mentorship program, can you fucking believe that, like, the trading rate to become profitable is like 2%. Like 98% of traders lose money. So when you have a mentorship program that's making 50% of its traders profitable, that is like unbelievable results. All of the people you see online, TJR, all of the people that teach ICT, all of them, none of them have that rate of fucking success for their students. Like literally not one. So fucking join it. It's that simple.
Join up.
Hi Sam, for the $50 course, do I get to know your trading strategy? Yeah, of course. I'll teach you everything in the mentorship. I mean, not everything, because obviously it's a 2-hour web masterclass, right? But it's going to be a very, very good start. Like, you're going to know pretty much everything. Damn, where do I sign up? Another fucking one-on-one student who's got funded joins the chat. It's like raining fucking chat, 30-minute no top weight. It's raining one-on-one students here, profitable ones. So I'm saying, bro, it's fucking crazy. If that doesn't, I don't know, give you the drive, then I don't know what will. Boo, no top wick. Yeah, I know. Me. When's the masterclass? October the 1st. It's a Wednesday. It's in 2 weeks, roughly.
2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, just under 2 weeks, 12 days.
Maybe I should have put the position on before I take it, so you could actually see like the idea of what I was trying to get.
You can still put it on after.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying for the screenshot.
Oh, yeah. Can you tell me what's the TRLS Masterclass about? TRLS Masterclass is a 2-hour masterclass where I teach you chat, if you want to find out the information, right, literally go onto my Instagram. It's so simple. Go onto my Instagram. There'll be a button here to message. DM me the word live, right? I mean, if you want to just join straight away, click this. But otherwise, DM me the word live. And then you're going to get sent a message like this. Oh, wait, not this. Like this. And it's going to have like a 5-minute video, super short. But but it explains literally every single detail you need to know, whether it's a good fit for you or not. I would turn this down, bro. Why is it 1.2x? That's way too quick. Why is it doing that? But yeah, otherwise, realistically, chat, that's everything you need to know. It's going to teach you basically everything about the strategy, like everything at all.
It's gonna fill the range.
It is going to fill the range. TP will probably hit on this, but it's just so cooked with the no top wick, I can't lie.
Wait, what time frame? Arguably, it could reject it. No?
Yeah, there is a level right here. That's a 30-minute. Close the position at 1% profit. Good shit, Tom. That's huge.
Nice.
On the fresh PA or what? On the past account? Bro, that'd be crazy.
That would be good.
Oh,
That's crazy that he used to work with them.
I know, yeah, it's sick. Such a like a full circle moment, bro. When Tom DM'd me, I was literally like, "What the fuck?" Because like, for me, that's a different life, and obviously for Tom as well. Like, it's a different life. And then he was like, "Bro, I think we used to work together at Waitrose," because obviously I've changed a lot since then.
Were you both in? Wait, how long ago was it? Or were you both interested in trading when you were at Waitrose?
No,
You just never talked about it.
No. I showed Tom some charts at Waitrose because I think I just started getting into it at that point.
Oh, okay.
Like, I think I was trading, saw him on a random Instagram reel, bro. Holy shit. That is so fucking crazy. To be fair, chat, yesterday as well, one of my boys from secondary school, like, just hit me out of nowhere on Instagram. It's so weird to think about because that's a separate life to me. You know, like, trend lines and who Sam was back then is just two completely different people. But,
I mean, you probably still have. Do you still have your personal Instagram? I'm assuming people just only think that that's your main one.
Yeah, I guess.
Like, unless they came across like a reel like Tom did.
Showed me a Forex chart and said it was. How long ago was that, Tom? How cooked is that, bro? That is a crazy moment.
Is this before uni or during uni?
No, this is secondary school, like when I was like 17.
Oh, mad. So it's literally, it's before I even met you.
Yeah. That is so crazy. So technically, chat, if you think 6 years ago. So technically, if you think about it, I've been trading like over 6 years. I mean, 7 years. Bro, I think blew so much money. The time you're talking about, Tom, when I showed you those charts at Waitrose, I remember waking up one morning, I had like a full leveraged oil long position.
Oil?
Yeah, but oil was, you know, it was when oil was negative.
What, was that like the meta back in the day, trading
No,
oil?
oil at a point went negative per barrel. They were paying you to take oil.
Of course, yeah.
So I went into a full leverage buy because I was like, holy fuck. And then it like stopped me out. And then it just ripped, bro. It was $1,000 my money. I got margin called on it. And then it just, today that position would probably be worth like $1 million. Like, no cap, it would probably be worth $1 million. Obviously I would never have held that far, but like, I got like one of the crazy, if you go to like crude oil here, bro, like there was a time when it went negative.
Has that ever happened with the other asset?
No, look at this shit.
That's insane.
So oil went, so they were actually paying you to take oil from them.
Well, let's see then, but just do like a pretend order.
I think it probably would have been like here or something, you know? Like, because I would never have caught the bottom, but it was like full margin.
Let's just say if you did sell towards the bottom, like do like a glute plus at the side and then just drag your TP to where it is now. I'm curious how much.
I think I risked, well, not that much then.
No, just one contract, yeah.
Well, but bro, it wouldn't have been a contract, would it? It would have been like...
I'm just curious how much it would be if you just held it until now.
I don't know. It would probably be worth like...
This is probably how much like a long-term investor made on oil. The dinosaurs at the bottom.
Yeah, I know, but we saw the price on the non-micro, so it was around here, right?
Oh yeah, it was. It was like negative 22.
So like...
What's he TP saying?
Well, if it was till now,
Yeah.
that would be like. To be fair, only like.
Oh wait, that's not as much as I thought. I thought it was going to literally be like so much.
Yeah, that's still a lot of money though. These streams are so chill. Honestly, I'm just in my room. Bro's just giving us a location update. Nah, good shit though, bro.
I'm triangulating on his position. Right.
Chat, someone find his room. We need that guy. What's the guy? The rain.
Oh, the Geoguessr.
The Geoguessr guy. Rain bolt or some shit. Bro would get your location just from that. He's like, oh, the streams are chill, so it must be 18 degrees in his room. That must be central East Anglia.
I'm convinced that that's not real, because he will, like, his reasoning for things, right, is he'll look at a speck of dirt and he'll go, oh, well, this dirt is only available in...
Only available?
Like, I don't know, like Southern Africa or something, and then that's just bullshit. There's no way you can detect where something is just purely based off of like a bit of grass.
Wait, Aditya, I should get a free pass as an alumni of the streaming community. I want a free pass. Free pass to do what? Uzbekistan dirt. Yeah, it's literally that, I think. Or like he'll be like.
Well, have you seen the ones where he blurs out the image, so you can't see anything. It's just like, you know, like like a shade of green, and then like maybe slightly, and you'll still get it.
Bro's just cooked.
That can't be real.
There must be Geoguessr cheats.
That's gotta be.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's plugging in the Cronus for Geoguessr.
Bro's got the Cronus max. It was a black screen and he guessed it almost on the dot.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Like, he will just do. Like,
no, you know the ones that I've seen that are crazy is it will flash on the screen for a second.
Yeah. I don't think it's real.
You know what I think is crazy now? I'm not gonna lie. Whenever I have like a period of scrolling, which is rare, but like at night or whatever, I've been getting so hooked on the TikTok Minecraft live streams where they're speedrunning it.
Oh.
Bro, they can beat the game in like 13 minutes.
It's crazy. I think
Someone did it in like 11 minutes.
When there's a category where it's like you know the seed.
Yeah.
Right? And I'm pretty sure it's sub, 3 minutes? So like the ender ball is already built. Like it's like the perfect seed for it. It's insane.
Let's have a look. Minecraft speedrun world record. Nah, fuck off. 53 seconds.
That's what I'm saying. So it's a fixed seed. Like the guy knows, it's like a planned route. But yeah, watch that. Like this is the one that I was on about. So like he knows exactly where to go. Nether portal's already built.
What did you just do?
He restarted because he didn't. But like these guys know, like literally like within a quarter of a second if they're gonna get it or not. Oh no man, actually he needed the skeleton spawn.
Yeah, that's what it was.
See, this is some like hidden tech. Like I know.
What did you just do? Bro, you just broke a block and replaced it on purpose.
It's some like hidden tech.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god.
Bro, he's like spazzing out.
Like you would be.
Imagine he got stuck on a block here and just fucked it.
Do you know how many people will go for this though? Like, Minecraft's so.
Cat, bro, that's insane. Bro beat Minecraft in 50 seconds.
I'll never beat the game, you know, not legit. I don't know in creative, but I mean, it's not really the same, is it?
They can geo, but we can trade. Yeah, that is true. Can you explain quickly what a candle close with a top wick means as opposed to no top wick? Yeah, I have a video. Tom, you've never beat Minecraft. That is crazy, to be fair. No. Should we run a Minecraft stream? I actually would send a Minecraft stream. I used to love that shit. I actually used to like rip that game.
I think it would bang, you know. I think like on the weekend or something, because obviously like Monday through Friday, like people are turning up.
I would so hop on. Should we run a fucking
TOLS Minecraft server?
Oh my days. Hardcore though only. So if you get killed, you're out. Chat. Basically, a no top wick candle means there's a range, right? So to explain this quickly, you see this candle here. It has like top wick on both sides. If you drop down to the lower time frame, you'll actually just notice that's just a range on the lower time frame. So you can see here, you made a resistance here, somewhat small one, and a resistance here on the lower time frame. Now, if you close right here in the middle of the range with a top wick, you basically still have room to buy up towards the top of the range because there's a wick fill, which means obviously, let's say that hourly candle was closed, you would have room to take a position because you're not at resistance. But if you have a candle where there's no top wick, basically, obviously there's going to be no lower time frame range. You're going to be at a lower time frame resistance immediately. So basically, if I can find one here, let's just mark out this high, or this low here, sorry. So this candle goes from here to here. You'll notice if we drop down to like the 1 minute, even the 5 minute actually, but if you drop down to the lower time frames, what you'll see is there's actually no more range for this candle to go. So you can see it close right here. Where did it close? Around right there. And basically, that means we've closed right at the support level. So if you were trying to take sells and you had basically a support level right here, you would never take that, right? Because you're right at the level respecting. Same as like right here, you would never take a sell just here because you're closing respecting the support level. So when you have no wick on a candle, it's basically an immediate resistance or support being made. And that's why you can't take a trade based off of it. Someone clip that. Anyone else having the problem that MGC1 and TradingView isn't synced with the funded account on TradeAvate? It's moving different and says a different price. You have to log into TradeAvate on your broker here because, or on TradingView, because on TradingView free, if you don't have a prop firm account or a broker account, there's going to be a delay. It's going to be 15 minutes delay. If you click this button right here, or not the green one, the one next to it, it's going to say like price is delayed or whatever. So you have to log into TradingView with your account to actually activate that. No, the green one's fine. The green one means market's open. The red one you have is basically, because you're on the free plan of TradingView, you get only an update every 5 seconds on there. Oh, okay. So like every time it goes now, you know, a multiple of 5 seconds, you'll get an update, a tick. Whereas mine ticks every second because I'm paid to win.
Wait, so can you, wait, Pascal, I was going to say, you have the 1 minute time, or the 1 second time frame. I don't have this.
I don't have it.
I do not. Because I noticed the other day, look, you can have like one tick.
No, that's like...
that's ridiculous though.
No, that's size. Like, one tick is... Oh, fuck off.
But like a tick is the smallest amount of movement. Anyway, it doesn't really matter.
Tick-based intervals. I want to remove these though. Alright, doesn't matter. Top notch nest, bro. That should help you out. I can't lie. This market structure is so nice. 15-minute closing shortly. Let's fill the range. Chat, that might be it, man. I'm gonna go download Minecraft real quick. Actually, might run it.
Wait, Dylan, did you ever make money on the? Because I know.
I used to run a Minecraft server too.
If you were relatively early to like making a Minecraft server, you could make like serious amounts.
I think
of money,
didn't Vicstar used to make like.
Bro, he's doing like over $1 million a month with it easily.
That's insane. Chat, should we call it a day and play a Geoguessr?
No, fair enough.
All right, cool. Had a server up for like 7 months, crazy. Oh, so the premium subscription is expired? No, you don't need premium subscription. You just need your broker to connect to TradingView, and then you'll get the updates. But chat, let's play Geoguessr and we'll call it. Because unfortunately we got nothing today. Today was this week was a great week. 100% win rate. Can you complain, lad? 100% win rate on stream, that is. I mean, technically on live accounts as well. On an evaluation, I'll obviously take an L here and there, but I don't count those. Chat, join the Geoguessr. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a week, actually. I appreciate you guys for the support. My best week of trading. Let's go, Tom. Good shit. GG's SG. We'll get them next time. Chat, by the way, before we do the Geoguessr, make sure you drop a like on the stream. And if you want to join the masterclass, head over to my IG, click the link in the description, or DM me the word live, and I'll send you all of the information, okay? So make sure you do that because slots, we just sold 2 more slots right now. They're about to sell out. If you miss them, there's not more slots coming up. So Nigel. Right. Biggest dickus. Welcome to the game. I'm waiting for gender neutral to join as well.
That's Kaiser, isn't it?
Yeah. Mr. Porcini. Who's Mr. Porcini, bro? Arne Slot. No. Not sure about that. Change the time? I have changed the time. Tom to go. I bet it might be you.
I'm not in. That'll be the other Tom.
Alright, well that's acceptable, but not you.
Wait, that's Kaiser.
Where?
Orange Afro.
Oh yeah, gender neutral, you're right. Top notch. Alright, chat, let's start the game. Alright, 3, 2. Lovely stuff. Alright, we have to win this one, because I'm fed up of getting like second and third place. Oh, yeah, don't worry about loading, actually. I know where this is.
Wait, what type of plants are they?
I know where this is, I think. Yeah, I know exactly where this is. Literally exactly where this is.
That's not where I thought you were going.
Whoa! Get smoked. Look at that.
That was good. I will give you that. That was decent.
The moment I saw it, I knew exactly where it was.
How do you know that? Has it just come up before on Geoguessr?
I used to live in Jersey. Or not live, but I used to spend summers in Jersey when I was like 15 with a certain someone.
Certain someone.
She who shall not be named. This is like somewhere Croatia.
No, that's just Switzerland.
Somewhere
Out in the sticks.
It's not. I think this is this. Ooh. All right, you guys. I told you guys are getting smoked. We can't choke this now, though. You're not very good at this game.
I'm not, to be fair. I'm not really.
Goddamn, go off.
My
Yeah, I will go off.
My GCSE in geography is letting me down.
Oh no, this is not going to be good. I need a street sign to save me here.
See, I just always think they're England. Like this just looks like the UK.
Definitely not England. There was a sign right here.
This is Northumberland.
Right, middle of Europe. I've got no clue where this is. It could be Canada or something like that.
No, this is Northumberland.
All right, I'll take it. Middle of Europe guess is always a safe one. You just like stick it somewhere. Mr. Porcini, man. Who even is that? Mr. Mushroom.
That could be Mr. Mochi's descendant.
Who said they were cooking mushrooms earlier? Was it Asset Marksman? Might be you, bro. I'm on to you. Oh.
I got solar panels.
I think it could be like Ireland or somewhere.
Nah.
France. Chemin de Calais.
Yeah. I'm feeling
Veg? Nah, Veg is Belgium. Something like that. Netherlands. Yeah, on the border. Same shit. Bro, because it was French and then Veg is German for way, so... It was a cross between French and German.
bilingual.
Valparaiso.
That's like Colombia or something.
Lagos? Where's Lagos? It can't be Lagos, can it? Gold just filled the range.
No, this is Latina ends. I'm telling you. Told you.
Yeah.
That was Latina ends all day long.
Bro, Kaiser, don't you spend a lot of time in South America? He does.
I could have that.
Fuck, that's...
That one was obvious. We'd have won there if you'd listened to me.
No!
It's supposed to be a team effort. You fumbled it for us.
See, Kaiser spent 19 years in Chile. He kind of has the advantage there, no?
No, that was Latina ends all day long.
Ah, you filled the range. Bottom wick first. All right, chat. Up 1% on the 50k. Wait, is it a live 50k? Like a past one? Or what? Either way, chat. Oh, no, on this trade. Okay, my bad. Good stuff, chat. Listen. Catch you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Spend it doing well. Doing good stuff. If you're trading for the rest of the day, trade responsibly. Make sure you join the masterclass as well. Go click the link in my Instagram bio. Other than that, peace out, much love. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.